The purpose of a notching and shearing press machine is to trim the edges of sheet material into different shapes as it enters the machine, making it an essential step in metal ceiling tile production. But did you know that the notching and shearing press machine can operate in both manual and fully automatic modes? In fully automatic mode, after setting up the program through the computer, the sheet material goes through decoiling, leveling, and punching before being directly cut by the notching and shearing press machine. The entire process is fully automated, requiring no manual intervention, just monitoring the production progress at the control console and collecting the finished products. This significantly saves production time and increases efficiency while greatly reducing product errors caused by manual operation compared to the manual mode. Additionally, the notching and shearing press machine only requires a change of molds to cut different shapes, offering versatility and high production efficiency. In the standalone manual mode, the sheet material needs to be cut into individual sheets first. Then, the sheets are manually placed into the machine, and the operator presses a button to perform the cutting. This method can reduce financial costs, but is time-consuming in terms of production efficiency. The notching and shearing press machine can be used not only in metal ceiling tile perforation lines, but also in various types of metal ceiling tile production lines, making it an extremely versatile piece of equipment. Kigreel supports the customization of different ceiling production lines. Choose Kigreel with confidence.